As kickstarted, Lawrence will start us off. So Lawrence, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Joseph. My name is Lawrence, and I'm a digital marketing executive at Ndovesha. And I can start by saying Happy New Year to everyone. So today we decided to pick one of our members' business to use as the case study on how you can use AI to do your marketing, and to be specific, probably to generate the marketing assets. And we will be using your business bestie to to show you how you can actually use AI to generate your marketing assets, and that will be our case study. So I think I'll just go right into it by sharing my screen. So share my screen here. Confirm you can see my screen. So we won't use any design tool for this particular task. We'll just use AI tools. And first, I think when it comes to generating creatives, you can't go right into ChatGPT without a proper and very clear prompt that we'll use to generate whatever kind of image you want. And so I'll just first start with coming up with a prompt, and I'll use Ndovesha. So I'll go to ndovesha.com. Then you will see this page here. Then you just log in if you have an account, or you can just sign up and start your 7 days free trial. So I'll just log in because I have an account, and I land here where you have so many prompt generators. But for today, because I'll just be generating social media post, I'll use the social media creative prompt generator. It's the first one here. So I'll just click on it, and I'm here now. I can have my inputs for me to get a very good prompt that I'll use to generate the image on the AI tool I use. So I'll come here and pick the marketing angle that I want to use for this particular post. And for me, let's go with a problem solution. Then the design style. There are a few styles here for design. Again, you just don't design without following up a certain design style. So I'll go with playful and youthful. Then the writing style. I think now that the design style is playful, I think I can go with witty and humorous. Then the storytelling style for this particular post, I'll go with the hero's journey. Then I'll have my key message here. This is just a small explanation of the kind of the post I want to make here. So I'll just type uh, social media post from uh, marketing and social media agency. Yeah, business bestie. Uh, So then I can explain what Business Bestie does. It is a social media agency that exists to help businesses who want to scale, uh, and have obtained their, their presence, clarity from strategy. I have my key message here. It's just a simple explanation of what probably that business does, or to be specific, the kind of a post that you want. Then I'll have the brand guidelines here. That's the colors, uh, and the fonts and everything else. So I have primary color blue, secondary white, then the font we have New Times Roman. Again, for the colors, if you know the hex codes, you can just put them here. But for this particular business, I have the specific or the name colors that they use. Then you can have the target audience. Who are you targeting with this post? You can have business people, because these are marketing and social media agency. So they are targeting business people who want their businesses to, to have an online presence, or even to sell online. So then the format of the post, it's a single image. Then for which platform, we can have Facebook, Instagram, or any. Then the number of post variations, I can have 5 or even 6. Then the CTA, I think I can just leave it like that for the AI to, it will just come up with something. Then you can also add some extra constraints. Probably there are some words you don't want to appear on your post. But for me, I'll just leave it like that. Then I'll come here and generate my prompt. Then I'll copy my prompt, then head over to ChatGPT. ChatGPT right now, it's the best. I can say it's the best image generating tool. So we'll use ChatGPT for this particular task. So I paste my prompt here, then click on generate. So love this brief already very best coded. So it's generating the ideas, the post ideas. And I think I like this one, posting and praying for likes. Um, so let's see, should have like 6 ideas. The best thing, it's like you can go through these ideas, and you can tell the one that you already like, and you feel like this will be the best for me. Again, for me, let's start with the first image. Generate first image. So Let's see the image that it will generate here. Let's give it some time. So I think it's almost there. Let's see what we'll get here. Oh, okay. So it's generating. Oh, like there's one posting and praying for likes. Your business bestie brings the plan. Let's have the second image. Can go on up to the sixth image because we had six ideas here. I don't know, like the designers who are here, I don't know, it will take you how long to come up with the idea and to design this whole thing. I think it will take you some time. So let's see. To help your brand show up like it knows itself. Oh, so like this one. Let's go to the third one. Give it some time. Let's see. It will generate here. Oh, we can go to the fourth one also. I like the first one already. So let's have it generate the fourth image here. Hmm. So like this one. So as you can see, like I don't think it took me like even like 10 minutes to come up with like 6 posts for social media for a marketing agency. Again, I think for a marketing agency, now that you're also managing other businesses, social media pages, then you need to be very fast and very quick for to be on time with delivery of your content to your clients. So for online bestie, I don't know, probably she'll tell us what she thinks about all these, but I think AI is coming. It's not coming to replace even the social media managers, but again, the way you use it will define what probably at the end of it all you will have. Probably if I don't know if you will have clients if you're not using AI, or even the amount of money you will make from your marketing agency. So I think I'll take it back to Joseph, and yeah.
All right, thank you, Lawrence. I think the posts were really creative and playful, and I would say engaging. Um, so if you have any questions or insights, please drop them in the chat. We will tackle them at the tail end of the session. We will also have Jennifer talking to us and telling us if we have a good job uh, for her agency. So please feel free to leave any question, any insights or whatever comment. So I'll welcome Duncan to do for us a landing page for your business bestie.
All right, thank you, Joseph, for the introduction, and Lawrence for the amazing presentation on the social media creative. And to everyone, Happy New Year and welcome back. For those who have been with us in the previous episodes, I think this is a familiar flow. Where we keep on, growing each other. Yeah, so, and we are in the new year now. Of course, a lot of amazing stuff is in the pipeline. And of course, I'm already out. Yeah, so I'll share my screen so that we can walk through creating a landing page for um, your business, bestie, by Jennifer. So I'm already logged in. And for those who have been with us, you should have seen a few features already up for you for the new year. Some more frameworks for print and physical, and also product descriptions. So, you can check them out, see how they can fit in your workflows for content, and we'll keep giving you more and more amazing stuff. I'll head over to the landing page prompt generator, and we'll enter our inputs. Just to see how AI will be able to give us um, a landing page for our business scenario for today. So these are the inputs you enter in this generator. So we have the landing page name. Of course, this one we call it your business list. To just give it the business name. And of course, the goal or purpose, of course, you can keep it lead generation. Key message, I understand business best is about helping businesses to scale and have maintain an online presence. So we can just statements can be, let's say, check your business online presence. The next level with your business bestie. This in this case, business bestie is the business name. Yeah, that can be the key message. I think to give us something good. Target audience. We can of course can have startups. I think important. We can also have business owners. Marketing managers. I think that's also important. They also, it comes to online presence, and then maybe you can also include freelancers because an agency would still be able to um, serve freelancers. Region, we can have just say Africa. Then broad guidelines, I think these ones we have them. We have the primary colors and the secondary ones. Just copy paste them. Yeah, we have blue, white, secondary, red, and yellow. I think those were the colors which Jennifer had suggested. And then broad guide, of course, I'll add the font. I'll use Ubuntu, it's my favorite. Ubuntu font family. And then, I mean, running any other additional details, those ones you can just keep it blank. AI will be able to do its thing. Marketing angles, we can have, of course, can have emotional appeal, also humor, and also I think have value for money because they're trying to also be competitive. Conversion goals, collect emails because we just want a direct sort of it's an agency kind of landing page. Just keep it custom. We'll be able to get CTS in the next section. So for the sections, let's have, of course, navigation bar has to be there for the header. For the menu, of course, the hero section has to be there above the fold just to ensure that users are able to get to know what the business offers immediately they land on the site. Then product and service features important, the benefits, but also how it works. How does your business bestie work with customers? Social proof, I think, so important. We also have some metrics. Pricing plans, I think, is also important because maybe you have different packages for the services. CTA buttons are very important to be able to, guide visitors on the next steps to take. Then FAQ is also very important. And the footer again, just to ensure that when a user reaches the bottom of the page, um, you're able to navigate back again to the important section. So the tone and style we can have friendly, can also have minimal, which have creative. I think those ones would work for now. Then the visual preferences, clean, just to ensure that the colors are well balanced, and also can keep also the bold and vibrant feel and brand colored assets because we have the colors different just to be able to have the um and AI really balance of the theme color as well. So I think having filled out the sections, we can generate the prompt. Um, yeah, here we have the prompt, so I'll copy it. And for when it comes to websites, anything coding, development, Claude usually comes the top. So I'll go to Claude and paste the prompt there and see what we get. It's loading. Right, so I'll paste my prompt there. Hope you can see my Claude window. So I'll paste my prompt and press play, and then we see what Claude will be able to give us. So basically, of course, first it's able to just summarize what it's gonna give you, the design strategy, and now, of course, give you the uh, still give you the text which you can use on the landing page in case probably you don't want to go the route of it giving you the final page. But of course, that's the most effective way. The simplest. Then we also have you can see it's giving you the features, giving you the benefits, um, how it works, the three steps of how your business bestie gets to onboard customers, social proof. You have just placeholders, of course, which again you can adjust accordingly to for real customer testimonials. You have some stats here, which again you can still adjust for real numbers. There's also given you how to structure the pricing packages. of the FAQs and also the footer, which now again we said it enables users to navigate easily back to uh, the sections, the different sections of the landing page. So and website. So because I mean, basically a landing page is just like a site. You can really capture everything about your business in a single landing page, because all the sections can really be wrapped in one section, I mean, in one page, and be able to really communicate what your business offers. So it's generating the page for us so that we can be able to view it on a browser. Same way, a customer, a visitor is able to see, and I think it's done. So for us to be able to view it well, I'll let me just download it and open it in of course, gives you a HTML version, which is of course the best for, I mean, a landing page. You really need to just have text display and images, and that's all. So let's see how it looks. Open it in a full page. Yeah, you can see. I mean, it's very pick the colors. I mean, pretty well. You can see the topography, the headline, the sub-headline, the call to actions. Very, I mean, very well done. He has also done some nice background here. We have an image at the background, just enough such that doesn't distract the user from getting the visitor, that is, from getting the key message. Yeah, the value propositions here. Very nice icons also suggested. I mean, contrast again, you can see the colors and also how the messaging is also done. Like why choose business bestie, you can see very nice unique value propositions, how it works, the 3 steps of onboarding are well done. Social proof here. I mean, this can be partners, can be customers, what they say about the business. Again, starts here for milestones for the business. The pricing packages, again, well structured. Yeah, just we are coming in to really add your exact pricing values. The FAQs again, well done. Uh, then, of course, a final call to action at the bottom here, and then the footer. So, I mean, very well done. Landing. This one is the page you can just really pick and I mean, and enter your maybe the phone numbers, the contacts, the address, and you'll be able to have your site live in in minutes, actually, like what we've done just now. So yeah, so I mean, basically, these are something which should take you. I mean, long before AI, will take you so many. I mean, days, even months, actually, too. Because imagine writing every line of code in this particular page, and also really even getting the concept of how to I mean, present the layout and also communicating effectively. Yeah. So I mean, now. So you have it here. I mean, this one, of course, is on my computer. Now, the next step is, of course, now having adjusted everything to fit your business's information and everything else. You can now pick this page and take it to, I mean now to a real hosting platform, and you'll have your set live. So let me just quickly flash through. I mean, the most common currently hosting platform, cPanel. Yeah, so once you have your cPanel account, I'll just share my other page, which has the cPanel, so that we can have a feel of how exactly you can take your site. I mean, create a site from, I mean, the prompt to AI and all the way to having your site live and visitors being able to find you, prospects, customers being able to find you online. So this is a cPanel interface. So usually head over to the file manager. Of course, now there are a few things you need to do. Of course, like pointing your domain name here. ensuring that it is able to load the website from here. So our demo domain is usually landingpages.ndovesha.com. It's just a subdomain because when you point a domain to the hosting package, of course, usually given a folder, just like on a normal computer where you're able to open uh, your pages. So to say website. So I'll go to the folder with our subdomain and we'll upload the file here. We already have an existing file. This one was also for another session. So I'll just delete it first so that we can upload the new one, which will now load your business bestie website. So I'll upload the HTML page which we downloaded from Claude. I want to believe it should be. I need to know exactly which one it is. I need to get the correct one. So should be the one. Yeah. So. Yeah. So it's already uploaded. So we'll head over to the back to the folder, and so it's here. So of course, now to be able to load the pages, the first one, whenever you share your domain URL with a visitor or a customer, you need to rename this file to rename it to index.html. That's the standard format of naming the homepage to be able to load at it whenever you visit the URL. So we'll pick now our domain name. The domain, can open it in a new tab and see our website live. So yeah, and here we go. So already live. This is a link you can now share with your. For the case of Jennifer, you can share with your. Of course, that's to be your domain. Of course, you can now have your customers, people find you online and be able to inquire and know more about your business and make purchases and also take your business to the next level. So that's how how you can basically move from our frameworks to AI and all the way to getting your business a website and converting on file. Because this is a website I can basically actually it's very well laid out. I can basically come here and feel convinced enough to buy. So yeah, I'll share the link in the chat so that you can have a feel and maybe rate it. And in case of any questions, of course, we'll handle them as we continue. So yeah, so that was my time. Take it back to studio, Joseph.
All right. Thank you, Duncan, for that. I think this one is ready to use. It's really a very clean one. So your business bestie, Jennifer, I hope you'll be able to produce one on your end and be able to your clients, potential clients can be able to interact with it. So for me, I'll do an ad creative for your business bestie. So again, don't forget to share your questions, any insights on the chat, or anything else you need to be answered. So I have an account, so I'm already logged in. But if you don't have one, go to ndovesha.com, sign up or sign in, depending. So for me, and as I said, for maybe the ones who joined later, I don't think for us we are not just giving prompts. I think we are giving systems. Initially, how most agencies normally even how agencies normally run, you have to be briefed, a client, and that's what we've done. We've brought those systems like any agency, whichever big ones, how they operate, and we've tried to bring that to be accessible to anybody, whether it's a very basic SME or a freelancer. They can use the same standard. So it's more than just prompts that we are offering. It's the standardization of how to generate marketing assets across the industry. Um, because I think for most laymen, things like um, the marketing angles, design styles, I think they are not very much aware when they are doing just some of these things. It's a bit random, and I don't think you actually do marketing randomly. You have to have a framework and a structure that you're using. So let's use these framework and this system and structure to now create using AI. And so we have our business service name is your business ST. Um, social media marketing agency. So writing tone, I think I'll go with playful. Image that we can use on, you can choose whichever platform. Then variations, I prefer three from. Then language, English. Design style, I think I would do playful and useful again. Hero's journey for storytelling style, and then marketing angle, I think I do problem solution. Primary audience, I would say SMEs. CTA, I can just select for me. So messages, we've got marketing your business online. You are leaving money on the table. On the table. Um, we sold this for you, but then we have our brand colors. So primary colors, they were two, blue, and we have blue and white. And then secondary, we had um, yellow and red. Then I think the font was New Times Roman. New Times Roman. Dandy Ubuntu, I think they don't, they are a bit similar. And then I generate my prompt, I copy it, I can share it with over WhatsApp, email, or you can copy the link and share with somebody. And then using your favorite tool. ChatGPT is good with images. I know Nano Banana is hyped right now, but I still find it to hallucinate sometimes. But their video generation is good. So I paste my prompt here, and then I let it generate the ideas first, um, and then from there I generate. So uh, let's see. Anyway, quite good. I like the copywriting. So let's see. Let's just generate and see how they look like. So we generate first image. You can sip coffee as we wait for ChatGPT. You see, it has decided to give me to choose which one for this first one. I know it does that sometime. Um, ChatGPT, you're taking long. Let's see what it got us. Link around cloud. It's given two versions of the same image. I don't know which one is better. Marketing. Let's see. Just helps. I don't know. I'm confused. I like both. I think I'll go with the second one. And then let me generate the second version. So let's compare. Okay, decided to. Okay. I mean, it has given me to, let's see, posting every day, still not growing. That okay, that's not effort, that's bad marketing. It's not effort, that's with a bit of spelling here. Posting every day, still not growing. That's not effort, that's bad marketing. Your business bestie turns post into business growth. Okay, I think I pick the second one again. The other one had a spelling mistake. So you see what these prompts, I mean, you can imagine doing this without going to Canva or Adobe or any of these design tools, Photoshop. I think it's quite something. You're able to produce faster, and create faster, launch campaigns faster, test faster, work on your content calendar faster, serve more clients, means more revenue, reduce expenses. Like the advantages are just so many. So uh, and that's what we are all about here. It's about empowering, people to just achieve these, maintain professionalism and quality, and then yeah. So I'll stop there. I think we can hear from Jennifer. Jennifer, do you think these images, uh, we need to send them to you? Jennifer, are you there?
Hi,
Hi.
can you hear me, please? Hello.
Yeah. Come again.
Good afternoon, and thank you for this opportunity. Um, yes, it is nice. I love the especially the one for the creative. It's volume.
Okay, I think you're breaking. I'm not
And
sure.
fact that I recommend you guys
Okay. All right. You're breaking. Maybe you can come again. I think it's your internet. Lawrence, can you hear him? Can you hear her?
No, she's breaking. I think
Yeah, I
she
think
has some
it's
internet
the
issues.
I think it's the network. Yeah. Jennifer, I think your network has some issues, so we can't hear you.
Can you hear me? Are we together?
No, I think turn off camera so that your bandwidth can maybe just cooperate a little bit. Okay, okay. You try now.
Is it that?
Yeah, now it's good. I think now we can hear. Sometimes.
Okay. Okay, so I was saying, like, I want the images you created because they are really good. I like it. I would use it on my page. I love it. But I have a few questions though.
Okay, come up.
Okay, so in regards to the images that is being created, is it like the prompts I get from Ndovesha is the one that gives chat the opportunity to create those how would I put the static image? Now I'm not talking about the output of the prompt. I'm talking about the images on there. It's a way to make it more realistic, other than something like that. You know, when you talk about realistic images, you know, they are very closer to human life, and I think that that's actually more relatable from where I stand than this particular kind of image icons that are on the image. So is there a way to put it in such a way that the prompt Ndovesha gives to me for me to input in chats is actually included that, okay, I want realistic 3D images other than what we get here now?
Lawrence, you want to answer that?
So hi Jennifer. In terms of the realistic, I think again
Hi.
the design style that you pick, I think it's the one that defines the kind of the probably the like you're saying the icons that are being used that ChatGPT will give you. Again, I think in every generator that we have in Ndovesha, there's a somewhere you can input the extra constraints that you want. Again, you can say you can just add an extra constraint that you want realistic images
I
with.
can see you if you are saying I can hear, but it's breaking.
Lawrence, just turn off your video so that it's,
Okay.
you know, the bandwidth is, yeah, okay. No talk.
Okay. So Jennifer, I'm saying like in every a prompt generator that we have, there is somewhere where you put the extra constraints. So you can just add an extra constraint that you want the images that will be used on every creative. They should be realistic. Again, I think again the design style that you go with is the one that determines the kind of the images that will appear
So now,
on your post.
yes, please. So my question is, where do I input that, in Ndovesha or in ChatGPT?
In
In Ndovesha.
Innovation, I think I can
Okay.
just share my screen.
Is it possible for you to do a demo and so I see? Because looking at Ndovesha, right, I don't think there is a place, for my knowledge, but you guys know the site inside out. I don't think there's a place where I can do that. But if you show me and I know, and we do an example here, and I see, then I know if exactly that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah,
Joseph, I
just
don't.
also to add, Lawrence, you can actually input that in the brand guidelines because that's just actually part of brand guidelines. I want real people, use real people. Like you just say that and that's it. They'll take care of the rest. Okay, but maybe Lawrence, you can demo, I think.
No, I think I've just closed my tabs. I don't know if you've closed your the one that you've generated for the ads. I think
Mm-hmm.
that's the we can use that one because it has used the icons. I think you can demonstrate yours before I open. I
Yeah,
just
okay.
closed two tabs. Okay.
Let me just share my screen. Just a moment. So let me say here. I can just say here, use real people images. I can even tell it also use black people. Say not cartoons. Maybe write cartoons. I think it's like that. So again, I have it, and then I go to ChatGPT. I know it's because I put playful.
Okay.
When you put
Okay.
playful, it mostly does cartoons. So I won't change, but let's see
I understand.
if it still if it will now follow my. Yeah, you can see it has already depicted visual direction, real black SME owner. But let's see. Right. Yeah, I think it's tried.
This is more like it. This is beautiful.
Yeah. So you see, it's just playing around with it, just you telling it what you actually want. I think I like this one.
I like it.
Okay, perfect. Any other
Yes. Yes, I have another question. Now for the
okay, ask.
landing page,
Mm-hmm.
for the landing page, right? Is it editable after it's been downloaded, or it has to be that I work on the site, and I don't know the name of the site, the app that he used in creating the landing page. Do you understand me? Now that he sent the link to the chat, if I copy it and I open it on my end, can I be able to edit it in the fact that I put in my own things, and I also feature that I want to input? The reason why I'm asking this is because Canva does something similar. In fact, I have a landing page with Canva. You understand me? And from that, I just realized that I can't edit it. It's Canva AI. I realized that it's not something that I can edit. Once it's done, once it's generated. So now it's whatever landing page you created now. Is it editable?
Yeah, done.
Yes,
Yes, please, I am.
yes, Jennifer. One, of course, it's editable. I think you first asked whether, I mean, the platform we use to generate the landing page. It's Claude. Could share. It's actually in the Ndovesha platform. You have a link to Claude there. Let me just get you the link. And again, one, of course, you can now, after getting that first version from from Claude, you can of course now, depending on how comfortable you are with the either you can edit it manually, like go into the code and do the changes. But I think the most effective and also, I mean, easy way to do it is, of course, because, like, for example, let me just share the page. Just share the page. Share the page. So let's say, for example, you want to maybe change, you want like your exact, maybe um, pricing packages here, the exact amount, the exact feature, I mean, package features, and also things like maybe the phone numbers, the address, the email address, and all that. You can just get back to where you are doing it, like just come here and now supply Cloud with the exact details of each of the sections, even like the Facebook page URL, Instagram, and all that. And then you'll be able to include them, and you have your final site ready to just go live without you going to edit it manually outside. Yeah, that's well answered, Jennifer.
Yes, please. That's fine. That's fine. And
Also,
one more,
let me
one more
just
thing.
add.
Okay.
So you see on the prompt generator where the messages, you can actually just put all those details, the contact, the everything, so that by the time it's generating the first time, it will actually put the correct contact, the email, the location, the social media handles, it can even the correct. Yeah, you can actually just put it and then it'll just do it correctly the first time. Okay, proceed.
Yeah, I was going to ask one more thing in regards to the landing page. So the site I get, if I use this now, I get like a www.yourbusinessbestie.novesha. Is that what it is?
For the domain, that's like the link I shared is it's a subdomain. So like a domain is like innovation.com is a domain name. Then, like, let's say for you, your domain could be something like yourbusinessbestie.com. So what happens basically once you have that HTML file which you've generated from Cloud, you download the HTML page, and now one, of course, you'll need the domain name registered and also have a hosting platform like I mean, can be anything. For the demo, I use cPanel now, and of course, you have your domain pointed to that particular hosting package. So yours is just to upload that file, and now your website will be loading from your domain name. I mean, whatever domain name you've chosen. So it's just about registering the domain name, getting the hosting. Platform, and now uploading your fine-tuned page, landing page, and then you'll be able to serve your customers online for them to be able to access their website. Yeah, Jennifer, that's well
Thank
answered.
you.
All right, all
Yeah.
right. Okay.
All right. Anybody else? Duarte, do you have something? I know we've been chatting. Do you have a question?
So personally, I don't have a question. I'm just following up.
All right.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. We have Burial. Burial, say something.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. I don't have a question, but I was glad to be able to join in on the session.
All right. Nice. Lenovo. I think somebody didn't change the name of their machine, but whoever you are. All right. Maury. Okay, proceed.
Thank you. I think I've learned a lot. That's all I have.
Perfect. Maureen. Maureen Dahura, are you there? There's no camera, so I hope you're not shy. All right, I think Maureen, next time you will also say something. So I think we will close there. We still have, for those who upgrade to paid, we have Gemini Pro, but the offer will be ending end of January. So yeah, you can take advantage of that for those who have exhausted their free trial. But thank you so much for joining. And we do this every Thursday, 4 p.m. East African time. I think should be Western African time should be what, Macharia, Lawrence?
I think it's 1 p.m.
Yeah, 1 p.m. No, that 1 p.m. I think is GMT. I think what is should be 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. Yeah, but you can cross check with your time zones. We do this every Thursday this time. So see you next Thursday, but also see you on the Ndovesha platform in case of anything. For those who haven't joined community, I think Masharia, you can share the community link quickly so that so see you in the community. Also see you on Ndovesha platform, and we for our paid customers, I think we've been trying to support them beyond that, like getting even to help them. Once you create creative, you don't know how to run ads, we help you with that so that we can work with you through the journey. So we offer way more to support our clients. So and with that, I think we're gonna end there today. See you around. Feel free to chat any of us on the community. Any admin will answer your queries. So bye-bye for now.